Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add a language course in your Duolingo app. First, you need to open your Duolingo. Now, click the flag icon and tap Add Course. Choose the language you want to learn, for example Spanish, and confirm with the Continue button. Now you can check your language level. For example, I'm new to Spanish. Continue. You can choose if you want to start from scratch or you want to find your level. Continue. Now you can complete your first lesson, but I will come back to menu. Now you can see that we have added another language course. That's it. See you later. Bye.